So a Southeast County theater is getting a facelift. This is all part of efforts to create more accessible spaces for arts and community events. So earlier today, San Diego College of Continuing Education breaking some ground there for some renovations to its historic theater. Look at that there. The more than $50 million project was approved by voters in 2024 and will bring 3,000 square feet of new construction. Sound and lighting controls will also be updated, as well as accessible entries and seating.
For students right here in our community of Southeast San Diego to have access to a theater. We like to consider this the La Jolla Playhouse Theater right here in Southeast San Diego. It's important so that students who are in the community, other high schools, they don't have to go outside of their communities to experience what a high-performing theater arts center is like.
The project is being funded by a $35 million grant from Senate President Pro Tem Tony Adkins and also a $3.5 billion bond through the San Diego Community College District.